We're told that a customer comes into a computer parts and services store. The customer is looking for a device to scan some old family photos into a laptop. What kind of device should the store owner recommend to accomplish the required task? Well, the main thing that we want to do is scan some photos and put it into a laptop. That's what we want to do. So let's get rid of a few of these possible answers. First is projector. Projector projects things. It's not going to scan anything. And then we have a joystick or a gamepad. That's also not going to help. So we're left with a mag strip reader or a flatbed scanner. And I meant mag stripe. Now, if you don't know exactly what a mag stripe reader is, this might confuse you a little bit. But a mag stripe reader, think of it as, when you swipe your credit card, that has a mag stripe reader. If you look at the back of your credit card or debit card, sometimes it'll have like a solid big black line. If you scan that, that is the mag stripe, and then a reader would read that. So now all we have left is a flatbed, and it's a scanner. It's exactly what we want. We want to scan some photos and we want to put them into a laptop. So our answer for this is going to be a flatbed scanner.